Today, let's talk about 3 classic house hunting problems we all face. Problem number 1. The beautiful online listing versus reality. Ever seen those dreamy, spacious living rooms online and thought, wow, nice leh, contact agent for viewing lor? Then you walk in, it's more like, is this the right address? Reality can be a bit spooky. Always get an area specialist and ask for more details. Because area specialist needs to build trust, so likely they'll be able to manage your expectation and do their best to match what you want with what's in the market. Problem number 2, the perfect home in a not so perfect location. You find this amazing home, but then you realize, oh, next to school or next to highway or next to construction site or visit the neighborhood at different time of the day to get the full picture. Trust me, you don't want any unexpected surprises. Problem number 3, fall in love with the house. That's way over budget. We've all been there. Champagne taste on a beer budget. Make a wish list with must-have and nice-to-have and stick to your budget. There are beautiful homes out there that won't break the bank. Bonus tip! Always have a checklist. It's like a treasure map to your perfect home. X marks the spot, right? Ready for your house hunting adventure? I'm Samir from Yin Homes. Don't forget to head to our website and check out our latest TTDI listing. See you next Tuesday on my next video.